Welcome to the Padhai Kar Lo JEE preparation channel. You can practice more problems on this exact topic on our Padhai Kar Lo Android app, link in the description below, or on our website padhaikarlo.com. Today's topic is logarithms and their core properties, the tool that turns multiplication problems into addition problems. Let's begin. A logarithm is genuinely defined as the inverse operation or exponentiation. Log base b of x equals y means exactly the same thing as b raised to the power y equals x, where b is the base, and this base must genuinely be positive and not equal to 1, while x, the argument, must genuinely be strictly positive. The three foundational properties genuinely follow directly from the laws or exponents. The product rule states log or m times n equals log m plus log n. The quotient rule states log or m over n equals log m minus log n, and the power rule states log or m to the power n equals n times log m. These three rules together are exactly why logarithms were historically so valuable. They convert genuinely difficult multiplication and division problems into simple addition and subtraction. The change of base formula lets you genuinely convert a logarithm from one base to any other. Log base of x equals p acting muk poretlo clintonjian pi arilavam vansuleva vandaitling krishna. Only a calculator that provides base 10 common logarithm or base e natural logarithm. A few genuinely essential special values are worth memorizing directly. Log base b or 1 always equals 0 since b to the power 0 equals 1 for any base. Log base b of b always equals 1 since b to the power 1 equals b, and log base b o 0 is genuinely undefined, since no finite power or positive base can ever actually produce 0. Similarly, logarithms of negative numbers are undefined within the real number system entirely. A genuinely frequently tested JEE trap involves the domain restrictions on logarithmic equations. Whenever you solve a logarithmic equation, you must genuinely go back and check that every single argument inside each logarithm is actually positive for your final answer. Extraneous solutions that make an argument 0 or negative must genuinely be rejected, even if they satisfy the equation algebraically after simplification. A frequently tested application combines the product and power rules together to fully expand or fully condense complicated logarithmic expressions, like writing log or x squared y over z cubed as 2 log x plus log y minus 3 log z, and being able to reverse this process, condensing separate log terms back into one, is genuinely equally important and tested just as often. Also remember that log base b of x and log base 1 over b or x are genuinely negatives of each other, and that changing the base from greater than 1 to between 0 and 1 genuinely flips the logarithmic function from increasing to decreasing. Let's recap. A logarithm is the inverse of exponentiation. Log base b of x equals y means b to the power y equals x, and the product, quotient, and power rules convert multiplication, division, and exponentiation into addition, subtraction, and multiplication respectively. The change of base formula lets you compute any logarithm using a calculator, and the single most important exam habit is always checking that every logarithm's argument stays positive in your final answer, rejecting any extraneous solutions. That's logarithms and their core properties. Keep the product, quotient, and power rules, and the domain checking habit sharp. They unlock nearly every logarithmic equation on the exam. If this video helped, please like it and subscribe to Padhai Kar Lo for more JEE preparation content just like this. See you in the next one.